President Trump telling Americans to prepare for a very painful 2 weeks as COVID-19 cases and deaths climb. According to the Johns Hopkins Coronavirus Resource Center, there are now 189,510 positive cases of COVID-19 in the United States. Nearly 4,100 people have now died, around 1,100 in New York City alone. While the majority of people do survive, only 7,068 are considered recovered at this point. Well, the president says the country will face a tough couple of weeks as his task force released the data models used to inform his social distancing guidelines today. Meanwhile, the Pentagon is working to help an aircraft carrier as the coronavirus moves through its ranks. Skylar Henry reports from the White House.
The nation's top health experts warn Americans should prepare for 100,000 or more deaths, though the coronavirus is expected to peak within the next 2 weeks.
We got to brace ourselves. In the next several days to a week or so, we're going to continue to see things go up.
But the president and his advisors say social distancing guidelines can help mitigate that spread.
We're going to see things get better all of a sudden, and it's going to be like a burst of light.
There's no magic bullet. There's no magic vaccine or therapy. It's just behaviors.
Several major U.S. companies have stepped up in recent weeks, producing ventilators, face masks, and other personal protection equipment. But governors from states large and small say they still are unable to secure the medical supplies they need.
It's like being on eBay with 50 other states, and now FEMA is bidding on top of the 50.
House Speaker Nancy Pelosi called on the president to use the Defense Production Act to do more.
Tuesday, both the president and the House Speaker pushed the need for infrastructure spending in the fourth stimulus bill. But a senior official says the White House is focused on implementing the massive Phase 3 economic rescue package for now.
A small business loans program is expected to be up and running by the end of the week, and Americans could begin to see direct payments in the next couple of weeks. Meanwhile, the Pentagon is sending medical supplies and personnel to assist the USS Theodore Roosevelt after the captain sent a letter pleading for help, with dozens of sailors testing positive for COVID-19.
We are offloading from the ship the sailors who are infected. We're giving them appropriate treatment ashore.
Esper says safety is his top priority for U.S. service members and their families. Skylar Henry, CBS News, the White House.
Also today, President Trump declared that a major disaster exists in the state of Montana and ordered federal assistance to supplement state, tribal, and local recovery efforts in the areas affected by the coronavirus. Both Montana senators have been asking for the president to get that done.